Hey guys! Welcome back to a new vlog. Today's vlog is me getting my shit back together. Adulting content po ulit tayo. And yes, welcome back. So if you guys are new to this channel, hello, my name is Alice. I'm a content creator. I make a lot of lifestyle-based videos and a lot of videos about my life. So if you guys are interested to know more adulting content, yung relatable talaga, yung pakiramdam yung meron talagang saysay sa buhay, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be informed of new videos that your girl uploads. Okay, so today's video is gonna be me cleaning up my shit. Okay, I'm gonna show you. See this? These are all the shit on my table that I need to clean up. Either I throw it out, I give it away, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay? I've already started doing it. Bakit ko siya ginagawa? Because I've been prolonging the agony of cleaning up because I was in a depressive state because of a lot of things. My dog died. A lot of my, close friends are going through something as well. And being a Capricorn, mukha lang hindi, I also feel their pain. So, I wallow in the pain. So, it came up to me having this shit in my table, which is supposed to be a productive space for me. But no! It's not allowing me to do so. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko is, I'm gonna be an adult and face the problem. And the first step in adulting is to face your problems. Face the challenge, okay? You don't run away from your problems. You face it. And you deal with it. You look for a way to get over it. And this is the first step, is cleaning up my shit. One of the things that I have learned to do in my 33 years of existence in this world is that if I don't clean up my shit, I feel more depressed. Sabi nila, ang mga creatives daw, mahilig sa disorganized chaos, parang organized chaos. Meaning magulo, pero alam namin yung gulo namin. Pero kasi, may fine line kasi between organized chaos to depressive state. And I learned in therapy that sometimes you justify what you're doing, saying that, hey, I'm being creative. No, girl. First step of being an adult, clean up your shit. Know when to throw things out. And I'm doing that right now. So, join me. Alright, patapos na ako. Konti na lang sila. Okay. So, we are at the part where I talk a little bit about, you know, my depressive state. At wait lang, magsiset up muna tayo ng ilaw kasi madilim. Wait lang. So, how did it resort to this? Like, my space being as cluttered as ever. Bakit hindi ko ginawa ng paraan? Anong nangyari? What happened? A lot of things happened. Okay? Like, mentally speaking, I was not, and I am still not in a good place. I'm still trying to overcome that. And I think that's one of the things that people don't talk about mental health as an adult. Okay? And I will do a video about, you know, things about being an adult. And as someone that went through a lot in her 33 years of existence, pag sinasabi ko talaga yung edad ko, medyo umuurong na eh. Umuurong na talaga. Pero as, you know, as an adult, there are a lot of things that I went through that not a lot of you guys, not even my friends, not all of my friends would know this. And part of the reason why I was also like this is that I had this perfectionist mentality, like either high or die. And there was really a time during the start of this pandemic that I just like, die. Okay? Die face na tayo. Like, I was ready to give up. I was ready to quit. I was ready to just like, I don't care what the fuck is happening with the world. I'm just gonna stay here, lie down, and die. Ganon. And, you know, it was really hard on me. Like, the start of the pandemic was hard. And there was also a time where I was in a situation where initially it was good, but then it became bad to the point that I don't want to talk about it now. It gave me a lot of anxiety. Yun lang sasabihin ko. Part of also the reason why my space is like this is because of my mother. And I'm gonna do a separate video why talking with, you know, the adults in your life can also bring out the adult in you. Okay? And my mother's a boomer. She grew up in a different time. She grew up not really talking about mental health. And she didn't realize that what we're both going through is basically, I believe it's called trauma sharing. I'm not particularly sure of the terminology, pero yun yung isang bagay na parang, I just gave up. Okay? I gave up. I gave up on everything. And now, as yes, yung isang po sabi lang pumunta dito. Now as an adult, you know, I've been an adult for a long time. I'm starting to rebuild myself again. And one of the things that I really think is very essential and key is having a clear space. Not necessarily clean, pero clear. Okay? There's space for you to just like put all your crap in, but there's also a space for you to just like see it clear. And I haven't had a clear space in a long time. Kaya ngayon ginagawa ko siya. Like this. You know what this? What's inside of this? It's a bunch of cables, memory cards, and SD cards I have. And I should be storing this somewhere that it's not a lock and lock. But because I gave up on life, I gave up on myself, I put it here. And I don't think iibahin ko pa rin siya ng pwesto kasi mas gusto ko siya nandito para pag nakita ko, ay, andito yung mga USB ko. Andito yung mga ganito ko. So, yun. I might do a different vlog on organizing, like organizational tools you can use because, syempre, hindi naman ako professional and I don't claim to be one. I'm still working on myself. So, while I go through this adulting journey that you guys are with, tuturuan ko din kayo ng mga bagay na nag-work sa akin that might work for you. And if not, I have other links that I can provide for you. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video. And I still have a lot of content about adulting that I would really love to teach you. Pero syempre, gusto ko ding marinig yung thoughts nyo. Like, what content would you like to see next on this channel? What kind of adulting content? Cooking video ba? Cleaning video ba? ASMR ba? Or something that is fun as an adult, or the serious topics that we usually shy out of. Let me know on the comment section, and of course, don't forget to subscribe and like this comment and share to your friends. O, diba? Nakapag-outro ng malala. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay. Bye! Mwah.